Hello friends, in this session we will talk about a few of the shortcuts that we can use, the application of speed math to speedily do your calculations. The method that we are going to talk about relates to multiplication of numbers. In multiplications, obviously there is one standard method that we have learnt in school, which we can always use. So for example, if I have to multiply 273 with 13, I can always do it this way. 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, and 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 8, and 273. This total will be 9, 3 plus 1 4. 8 plus 7 15, 2 plus 1 3. So this product will be equal to 3549. This is the standard method of multiplication that we all are aware of. However, now what we're going to discuss is the digit multiplication method. What happens is that obviously in any let's say if you look at CAT, the questions have 4 options. If the question have 4 options, sometimes or rather more often than not, the answer would depend on some final multiplication that we have to do. And in order for this final multiplication, if we can eliminate the digits from the last, the answer would be a lot easier. So the idea is that if I can without getting into this whole calculation, if I can identify what will be the last one digit, some options may be eliminated. If I can eliminate the last 2 digits, some more options can be eliminated. If I can identify the last 3 digits, some more options are eliminated, and so on and so forth. So with this view, we will discuss now the digit multiplication method. What we do is we'll first look at single digit, then double digit, then triple digit, and so on and so forth. Let's say I have to multiply 3 with 9. Obviously this is very simple. 3 9s are 27, so there is no rocket science in this. Let's say I have to multiply 23 with 14. In order to multiply 23 with 14, what I will do is I'll first, okay, let me write this way. First I'll multiply these two, then I'll multiply these two, and then I'll multiply these two. So the last digit will be 4 into 3, 12, remainder is 1. The second last digit will be 4 into 2, 8, plus 3 into 1, 3, 3 plus 8, 11, 11 because there was a carry of 1, so 11 plus 1, 12, so this will also become 2. So what I have done here is 4 into 2 plus 3 into 1. I have cross multiplied them, and plus whatever was the carry. So 4 into 2 8, 3 into 3 is 3, 8 plus 3 11, plus 1 carry 12. This becomes 2. Now the carry is 1. The last digit 2 into 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. So this will be equal to 322. Observe once again, last one digit cross multiplying followed by the second last digit. So this gives me the product 322. Let's take another example. Let us say I have to multiply 47 with 91. In order to multiply 47 with 91, first step 1 into 7, this will give me 7. So step 1, 1 into 7. Step 2, I'll cross multiply now. So 1 into 4, 9 into 7, 1 into 4 plus 9 into 7. This becomes 4 1 is 4, 9 7 is 63, 63 plus 4 is 67. There was no carry, so I'll get a 7 here. The carry is 6. Followed by step 3, which will be this 4 into 9. So that is 4 into 9, which is equal to 36. 36 plus 6, 42, 4277 is your answer. So as you can observe here, we are able to determine the digit by digit by digit by digit, and like by doing calculation like this, the answer choices, they can be immensely simplified. Also overall calculation time, that would also be much lower as compared to the traditional method that we follow for multiplication. So this was 2 digits. Let's say I have to multiply 123 with 427, let's say. So 123 and 427, they have to be multiplied. What we will do is, step 1, 7 into 3. Step 2, this will be cross multiplied. So this will become 7 into 2 plus 2 into 3. Step 3 will be, this will be multiplied with this will be multiplied with this will be multiplied with this. So as you can see, step 1, step 2, step 3, by symmetry, step 4 and step 5. This will be the sequence that we will be following. So this was step 2. Step 3 will be 7 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 4 into 3. Step 4, 2 into 1, 4 into 2. 2 into 1 plus 4 into 2. And step 5, 4 into 1. So these are the 5 steps. Let's see what will be the answer. 7 3 is 21, gives me a 1, carry is 2. 7 into 2 is 14, 14 plus 6 is 20, 20 plus 2 is 22, so the carry is 2. 7 into 1 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 12 is 23, 23 plus 2 is 25, carry is 2. 2 into 1 is 2, 4 to 8 plus 2, 10 plus 2 is 12, carry is 1, and finally 4 into 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So this product is equal to 52521. And that is the method for the multiplication of a 3-digit number with another 3-digit number. The basic idea would be this, and this is the sequence that we follow. Let's take another example. Let us say I have to multiply 375 with 491. So 375 multiplied by 491. What we will do is, step 1, 1 into 5 gives me a 5, no carry. Step 2, 1 into 7, 9 into 5, 9 5 is 45 plus 7 is 52, so this is 2, carry is 5. Step 3, 3 into 1, 5 into 4, 23, 23 plus 63 is 86. 86 plus 5 is 91, the carry is 9. 3 into 9 is 27, 7 into 4 is 28, so this becomes 9 3 is 27, 7 4 is 28, so 27 plus 28 is 55, 55 plus 9 is 64, so this becomes 4, carry is 6. And last step, 3 into 4 is 12, 12 plus 6 is 18. This is your answer.